Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Divine. If this is your first time here, welcome to my world. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for checking out my channel once again. My phone is flashing. Somebody's calling me. Okay, no. Okay, as you guys can see by the title, I am doing a hair review, and this is a hair review of WIG Wigs. It's a company on Instagram, on the internet. Yeah, so they reached out to me and kindly sent me out this unit that I have on for you guys. Just give me a second. The 360 lace frontal wig. It is a body, is it? No, deep wave Brazilian virgin hair. Deep wave Brazilian virgin hair. There's a 360 lace front wig, so you can tie it up as a ponytail, 2 pigtails, and nobody will know whether it's a wig or not, you know. Yeah, because the lace literally goes 360 around your whole entire head. I'm showing you guys in the video how I am sewing the band, how I cut the lace front, how I do all the other good stuff until I get this lovely application. And yeah, if you guys want a tutorial of this makeup look that I have on, please let me know in the comments below. I just want to put my highlight a bit more, you know. All the information of the hair will be down in the description box below and where you can purchase it. Yeah, so if you're interested, please have a look in my description box. I have all the lists and details and links to this unit down below. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for your support, and I'm sorry I haven't been uploading for such a long time. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on all my social media links, which I'll have in the description box below. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys at the end. Bye.
Dis-moi pourquoi tu forces, j'ai mal à la tête, pourquoi tu forces? Dis-moi pourquoi tu forces, t'auras pas mon snap, pourquoi tu forces? Il avait mes formulés, tout ce qu'il lui fallait. Il avait mes formulés, tout ce qu'il lui fallait. Il a un joli physique, mais ce mec est plein de timinique. Oui, je sais qu'il est piqué, faut aller mollo, c'est pas compliqué. Je suis assez pudique, c'est pas si facile, le gars c'est ton père. Couleur ébène, c'est la classe, si tu veux goûter.
I showed you guys before, it came with the elastic band that you put around here, and 2 clips, which I don't think I will use because it already has clips embedded into the wig, so I don't know if I'll use these, but I'll definitely sew this into the wig. It also came with a wig cap, as I showed you guys before. I want you guys to meet my lovely friend here. She's a little bit taller than me, but it's alright. She's standing on a tripod. Yeah. So, I'm gonna put the wig on the mannequin thing. I don't got clips, okay? You better stick on, okay? Okay. What did we just talk about? Are you gonna listen or not? Okay, I know what I'll do. I'll just pin some. Yeah. I have I'll use
Il avait mes formulés, tout ce qu'il lui fallait. Il avait mes formulés, tout ce qu'il lui fallait. Doudou, tout est fini entre nous, mais pourquoi tu forces? Maintenant laisse tourner la roue. Doudou, tout est fini entre nous, mais pourquoi tu forces? Maintenant laisse tourner la roue. Doudou, dis-moi pourquoi tu forces, j'ai mal à la tête, pourquoi tu forces? Dis-moi pourquoi tu forces, t'auras pas mon snap, pourquoi tu forces? Il avait mes formulés, tout ce qu'il lui fallait. Il avait mes formulés, tout ce qu'il lui fallait. Pourquoi tu forces? Doudou, pourquoi tu forces? Doudou, pourquoi tu forces? Pourquoi tu forces? Doudou, pourquoi tu forces? Doudou, pourquoi tu si facile, le gars c'est ton père. Couleur ébène c'est la classe, si tu veux goûter faudrait être patient. Ne jamais laisser filer une opportunité quand elle est bonne. J'avoue je fais la désirer, j'en fais des tonnes et ouais je bombe. Il me questionne, il demande à ma pote si je suis casée. Hors de question, pas le temps pour ça non je vais pas céder. Dis-moi pourquoi tu forces, j'ai mal à la tête, pourquoi tu forces. Dis-moi pourquoi tu forces, t'auras pas mon snap, pourquoi tu forces. Il avait mes formules, tout ce qu'il lui fallait. Il avait mes formules, tout ce qu'il lui fallait. Depuis que j'ai fait comportement que du Nakamura au volant. Jaloux, jaloux, c'est comment Rise va casser les clubs jusqu'au tamin. Bizarrement maintenant tu veux m'appeler, mais ça fait un bail que je t'ai bloqué. J'ai croisé mon ex devant l'entrée, avec mes go dans le VIP on est posé.
So this is my final review, my final look, I mean. So this is my initial review. So I'll do maybe another review in a month time or in 3 weeks time, something like that. Letting you guys know how the hair is and whether or not it's kept to its you know, standards. Haven't glued or you know, used any of the got to be glued on the lace fronts, just because it just laid flat so nicely after I applied the elastic band. So yeah, I also used the Kat Von D, well you can use any powder you have, the Kat Von D Locket Tattoo foundation powder in Deep 66 with a BH Cosmetics Kabuki brush, foundation brush, just to apply on the lace inside, just so it gives that seamless look, making it look more natural, as if it's coming from my roots, because I didn't have the dye or bleach that they use to you know, dye the knots. But yeah, this does do the job, as you guys can see. I just used the Eco's gel, styling gel, to just, you know, create some baby hairs, because this wig did come with baby hairs, but I didn't pluck or cut or, you know, do anything else. The only thing that I did was pretty much cut the lace and apply the band. So yeah, if you spray water on it, this is just the Mario Badescu spray. You know, the knots get, you know, tighter, and you know, it's just, you know, the curls just get more defined. I don't really do my hair as much. I don't really, you know, play a lot with my hair like a lot of people do. So I tend to just wear wigs or my own hair. But when I do wear wigs, I make sure they're nice and good quality. And I really thank WIG store for reaching out to me and sending me out this hair. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys for your love and support. Otherwise, I'm playing too much with this hair, oh my goodness. Otherwise, I've come to the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And if you guys do like these type of videos, please let me know in the comments below, because I'll be more than happy, you know, to do more of these videos that you guys love, you know. That's how we do it. I think I'm talking too much. Like, I feel like I'm talking too much. Like, I need to calm down. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media links if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Dis-moi pourquoi tu forces, j'ai mal à la tête.